Why this transformation is not linear? Consider the transformation T defined by the following equation. Demonstrate that T is not a linear transformation. As explained previously in the video shown at the top right, we know that for a transformation T to be a linear transformation or a tensor, it must satisfy the following two properties. 1. Additivity for all vectors A and B. And 2. Homogeneity for all scalars alpha and vector A. If either of these properties is violated, T is not a linear transformation. Let's first examine the additivity. The transformation of A plus B is equal to A plus B divided by its magnitude, which can be written as On the other hand, the transformation of A plus the transformation of B is equal to A divided by its magnitude plus B divided by its magnitude. By comparing relations 4 and 5, it is clear that they are not equal. Therefore, additivity is not satisfied, and the transformation introduced by equation 1 is not linear.